Hello everyone, today we will learn how to change line thickness in AutoCAD 2023. To change line thickness, click here, select the line thickness you want, for example this. Now draw line. As we see, the line thickness has not changed. To solve this problem, write line wide, press enter. Now click here, click OK. As we see, the thickness of line show and the problem it is solved. In another way, from this icon, click here, the line thickness will hide. Click here, the line thickness will show. This is our lesson for today. Thanks for watching and see you later.